নাও আজকে আমি রিইন্ট্রোডিউস করছি about verb agreement part B. So exactly I would say you it is a lengthy chapter and specifically the students they are not habituated nor they have a practice or nor do they practice it, because such knowledge is much important while you are going to learn English from class 1 to 12, and it is enough time for the students to have a stronghold at English. So specifically I would like to ask all the students, only the 12 years from 1 to 12, that's important, and the duration, and within that much period every student should have perfect knowledge at English so that they can use in future, because for further study their subjective part at further education or higher education, they should have strong knowledge at its utilization, at writing, speaking, reading and understanding. So what I have a thought about it to introduce with you in this regard. But my observation is much close to you, and what I have understood in regard to its response is less. Previously I have followed all of my uploadings. I have found in one text the novel thought about it is perhaps for 11 standard course. It was the syllabus, but right now I do not know. The perhaps this year 11 and 12 they are supposed to follow the old courses. However, now those who are supposed to appear in the competitive examination to crack that is that, and to be qualified, and it means to be selected in the examination in order to have a job. It is job oriented education, I would say you always. But nowadays the students are found they are very much interested, and we the teachers are paying more attention to secure marks. Obviously it is highly appreciable and acceptable, but on the other hand I would always say it is equally important to have the talent at this language, and I feel 12 years is enough time to have a strong hold at this language, specifically SSC and banking, UPSC and in other examinations too. So now আজকে আমি যেটা বলতে চাইছি the verb agreement এর সেকেন্ড পার্টটা, a number of students have failed in the examination. A number of students একটি সংখ্যা, and the number of student is increasing. দুটোর মধ্যে তফাৎটা কি হচ্ছে we have to understand. Then the verb agreement, আমরা এখানে যদি এটা বুঝতে পেরে যাই তাহলে আমাদের verb agreementটা সঠিক হবে. Why? Because it the subject becomes plural, then the verb must be plural. And whenever the subject is found singular, the verb must be singular. So how can we detect it? We need to have deep knowledge. Deep means to analyze it, to understand it from it. Securing marks, yes, I always favor you. But to understanding is equally important. Skillness is important. I think if the students can understand what I want to say you, what I want to clarify about its importance. As you know, English is considered to be the official language. It is untold. Hindi is not our national language, and all that states language or regional language is not our national language, but it is understood and untold. English is by no means is going to be the national language, or it is considered to be the language which is highly used officially, economically, commercially, diplomatically. So I would always ask you can attend tuitions and you can go to the classes and you attend your teachers. They teach you English cordially, haughtily, lovingly. Similarly, you ask your teachers to use the language parallelly, Bengali and English. We are strong at Bengali, we know, everybody knows. But on the other hand, what should be the students' intention? They should have a strong hold at this language. Simply, the focus should always be to learn a language, to have a skillness, to have an understanding, to have a reading, to have a clarification, to have a narrative concept about it. This is very important. So this agreement does tell you. So now, এবারে দেন আসলে a number and the number of এর মধ্যে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ তফাৎ আছে। এই নাম্বার এর অনেক কারণ এখানে এটা একটা মানে এই নাম্বারটা হচ্ছে অনেক, এখানে আমাকে একটা কমা দিতে হবে, কারণ এখানে এটা অনির্দিষ্ট, সংখ্যাটা অনির্দিষ্ট, অনেক। আর এখানে 2 নাম্বার এর একটা নির্দিষ্ট মাত্রা, ডেফিনাইট আর ইনডিফাইনাইট। এইখানে আমাদের বুঝতে হবে নাম্বারটা যে নির্দিষ্ট একটা সংখ্যা, সেই জন্য আমাদের এখানে একটা সিঙ্গুলার ব্যবহৃত হয়। আর যখন এ নাম্বার হয় তখন ওখানে ক্রিয়াপদ হবে। এখানে এ নাম্বার অফ স্টুডেন্টস ক্রিয়াপদটা প্লুরাল হয়ে গেল, কারণ মাত্রাটা অনেক, ইনডিফাইনাইট, অ্যান্ড দি নাম্বার এখানে মাত্রাটা হচ্ছে মাত্রাটা হচ্ছে নির্দিষ্ট মাত্রা। So but you have to remember this. So before practicing, it does make you understand. It will help you to remember while you are in that examination hall. But on the other hand, you have to remember it permanently, so that in future you can use this one. It does not matter that you can crack in the examination and you can have the service, and thereafter English is considered to be the global language, official language. I have told you repeatedly. So this is my intention. So what I always take you. So now I have decided to teach you, or just highlight what is called upload about the text, which is much important. And while I will teach English literature, I must use the grammatical clarification, so what you will learn, both your skillness will be developed, your knowledge will be developed. So I have decided to do. So now I am relating to this. I am going to upload a little more about it. Now, take the percentage of good persons. The percentage is small. I think you have understood this. The percentage. Need this to work. And 40% of mangoes. Mango, limitless mango. There are 40%. That means some cut off. 40% of the mangoes are pocha. Now you see, 60% of the sugar is uncountable. Ultimately, I can never count it. So whenever it is uncountable now, the power must be single. And this is the concept. So, when we just even pay attention about the verb agreement, if you are taught or you are habituated to solve the problems, understanding the subject, whether it is plural or it is singular, in accordance with that, you have to place. So your practice will be a prolonging subject. So rather it is better or had better to understand it clearly. So ask your teachers to make you understand about this. So now it is a prolonged chapter. I can pay more attention to this. And I can upload. So now wait and thereafter I shall add my address. Those who are the local person and interested to learn more about grammar, text, literature, or on the spot or post graduation on the spot, or about any debate or about any activities relating to exercises. I share with you. I can. But due to unfortunate incident, I was absent for 3.5 years. So that the students do not know whether I have come back or not. Exactly a story. It's so pathetic. I won't like to describe it. But it's my personal. However, I love students, I love teaching, I love learning. So it will always run on next. Okay. So now, you see, a team of players, a team. Understand? It's a team, collective. Is it? Collective now. A team. You cannot count the number. You do not know the number. Team. The second, like, whenever the subject becomes collective, subjects become collective, the verbs become singular and singular. So, like this way, you have to understand it. ওখানে এ পড়লাম অনির্দিষ্ট indefinite, সেখানে plural হলো. Then this verb agreement, it fluctuates. You have to understand it. So practice would make you perfect. Yes, I accept this. It is the proper. But on the other hand, you have to remember it too. Understanding does make you skilled. Your skillness would come through its application. So English is important, but applied English is more important. You learn English, but you do not apply. With the teachers teach you English using Bengali, so ultimately, what would he learn? What the students would learn? Bangladeshi, Bangladeshi, ইংরেজিটা কম। I am a Bengali medium student. আমি এটা রিয়েলাইজ করেছি আমার স্কুলিং লাইফ থেকে। সেই জন্য স্কুলের ক্লাসগুলো আমি অ্যাটেন্ড করতাম না। সেই সময় আমার স্বনামধন্য একজন অভিজ্ঞ শিক্ষক মশাই ছিলেন। আমি ওনাকে প্রশ্ন করতাম, উনি বলতেন এগুলো, এই উত্তর দিতে চাইতেন না। তারপরে আমার ওখান থেকে একটু, তারপর জানি হোক, পরবর্তীকালে আমি নিজে স্টাডি করে, আমি সেই সময় থেকে জেসি নেসফিল্ড স্টাডি করতে শুরু করেছিলাম ক্লাস 9 থেকে। আমি বুঝতে পারতাম এবং খুব আমার এই ভাষাটার প্রতি একটা আকর্ষণ ছিল। আমি সায়েন্সের স্টুডেন্ট, ফিজিক্স, কেমিস্ট্রি, ম্যাথামেটিক্স ইকুয়ালি আই লাভড। বাট আমি জানতাম ইংরেজি ছাড়া বাঁচার রাস্তা নেই। সেই জন্য আজকে আমি এই ব্যাপারে বলার আগে, if the students, if you are interested just to have a more knowledge, skillness at applied English, not spoken English. Spoken English is always foul English. It is informal, but I usually teach the formal English. Spoken English করলে কি হবে, ফাউল ইংরেজি বেশি ব্যবহার করা হবে এবং সেখানে গ্রামারের কোনো কনসেপ্টই থাকবে না। আর গ্রামার না জেনে ভাষাটাকে ব্যবহার করা মিনস নিজেকে লজ্জিত করা হবে। সেই জন্য আমি কখনোই কাউকে সাজেস্ট করবো না উইদাউট গ্রামার টু স্টার্ট। ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্টুডেন্টসরা পড়ে, তাদের মধ্যে গ্রামাটিক্যাল কনসেপ্টটা কম থাকে, কিন্তু তারা অভ্যস্ত হয়ে যায় ব্যবহার করতে করতে। তো সেই জন্য তাদেরকে আমি বলি যে গ্রামারটা একটু থাকলে ভালো হয়। কিন্তু আমাদের বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়াম স্টুডেন্টস অলওয়েজ এটার দিকে বেশি নজর দেয় এবং আমাদের শিক্ষকেরা মোস্টলি দে আর কোয়ালিফাইড, সার্টিফাইড, বাট দ্য স্টুডেন্টস দে ডু নট আস। অ্যান্ড আওয়ার educational system has been made like, because the students are not interested to, their intention is to secure marks, and the teachers, they encourage the students just to secure marks, because it is the parameter, it is considered to be, but we just accept it like, but I consider it in a different way. However, it does depend upon your choice. Choice is yours. I know a lot. আর তারপরে ইংরেজি স্নাতক পড়ে কিচ্ছু লাভ হবে না। এমন অনেক স্নাতক বা স্নাতকোত্তর আছে, they are qualified, they are certified, they are teachers, but hardly they teach well. They teach the English literature, they do not analyze, synthesize, or clarifies a sentence's structure. Grammatically, they do not. So, I would always ask you, learn it deeply, attentively, with a view to have skillness, talent, so that you can secure marks as well as the talent. I simply suggest. So now I am putting here my addresses, I'm calling my addresses. If the local person, if they are found interested, you can ask me to attend, but I do not like to commercialize. Limited students are allowed, hardly 4 or 5 in a batch, or 6 maximum. because my interest is to teach the students correctly. So now I am writing down here. Now I have written my address, mobile number, etc. You can get me in YouTube too. You can subscribe there. You will get 171 uploadings. And now address my RB Karmakar, and people know me alias is my nickname Karthik. Access to Success, Nundwada, ward number 11, near Dr. Arun Das's chamber. And you can go there and ask anybody else. I would suggest you my exact place. It is just adjacent to, just a little, approximately at 20 feet or 30 feet or 50 feet maybe, the distance from Dr. Arun's. So today, as I'll call it a day, and see you next.